Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Farhana Sharmin Tithi. Hello from Bangladesh. Today I'm going to discuss about big data technology, data science, and Kaggle competition and other competitions. Let, let's let's see what we get. Actually, my one of my favorite site is Analytics Vidya. Maximum post I read from there, big data technology, data science, everything. So if you go through this site, you can know lots of news of big data, new technology, and everything. You see, there are some talk like comprehensive introduction to Apache Spark and data frames using PyShark. This is the latest technology, so you can go through it. Um, so how Apache Spark is actually maintaining the big data. So, and the challenges in working with big data, and also how Apache Spark frame is using driver program, work on nodes, and everything. Also Hadoop MapReduce plus Spark differences, and therefore the operating system Ubuntu is supporting. If you're running on Windows or Mac are new to this domain, I would strongly suggest to create a virtual Ubuntu machine with 4 GB RAM and follow the rest of the process. So you have to installation of Ubuntu as a backup if you are using Windows or anything. So there are the differences between Python and Scala, and Apache Spark as representation of RDD data frame and data sets. So it's a very good site to learn data science, big data, and every technology. So I want to actually show the competitions of today. So following the competitions, so according to the analytics beta, we get there are lots of competition on data science. So in data science, there are maybe hackathons is always going there. So you can go through hackathon 1 and hackathon 2. They are conducted hackathon 1 and hackathon 2. Also there are data science competitions like Python, Julia, R, SPSS. So Kaggle is the most trusted competitions platform. So you can learn from there, and you can experience the problems of domain. You can compare your skill to know your strong and weak areas. So Kaggle competition problems has a list. They are difficulty level are machine learning skill, coding skill, according domain skill, tutorial also available there. So you see the with the Julia, you can go through this, and there are the digit recognitions, bag of words meet bag of popcorn, then San Francisco crime classifications difficulty level, then you see denosing dirty documents difficulty level, then you saw the taxi trajectory prediction time location, then you see the Facebook recruiting human or boot. This all the competition you are go through, and there are the different skills of them. So how to start right approach to get started. Knows coding but new to machine learning, so begin with taxi trajectory prediction, try Titanic, also try Facebook recruiting. If you are experienced in analytics, then uncomfortable using R and Python, begin with Titanic, try Facebook recruiting, and try taxi trajectory prediction. Skill at coding, machine learning, yet want some challenges, begin with fast tips with Julia. You can try Facebook human versus bot. Complete new by in data science and wants to get started, begin with Titanic, try Facebook 3 recruiting, follow your heart and select any. So they are the data science competitions, difficult level of moderate. So analytic with the hackathons is going on, crowd analytics also going on, and KDD Cup also going on. So these are the competitions. If we go through the Kaggle, itself, Kicknuts. So competition, there are always there are competition announcement are there. Here we see GENFL 10 million head health challenges in going there. For more accurate diagnosis of mild brain injury and prognosis for recovery following acute or repetitive injuries. There are another competition is going on, Kegel, Houston Kegel. First Houston Kegel, also Heritage Health Data Analytics Prize is going on. So now from, if we want to know that how to successful in Kegel data science competitions, by hearing Sir C is saying that first you have to read the manual, understand the measure, know the data, what before how, set up local validations, monitor the forum, do your research, apply the basic, ensembles all the things and win. So you should understand the measurement of the manual, then you performance measure with it, then also you have to know the data there is giving on. So if we go to the more Kegel competitions in here, so this is the Kegel. So first you have to know what is going on in these competitions. There are lots of competition there, so you can choose to compete there. So, and also there is a 2 sigma financial modeling, so you can submit it by 2 months. The price is giving there, the price is very much high, 100,000 dollar. So the code competition is like that. um, 2 sigma investment actually, who has been applying technology and systematic strategies to financing tradition since 2001. For 15 years, 2 Sigma has been at the forefront of applying technology and data science to financial forecast. While they are pairing advances in big data, AI, and machine learning in the financial world have been pushing in industry forward, as with all other scientific progress, they are driving to make continuous progress. Through this executive partnership, 2 Sigma excited to explore what untapped value Kagel's diverse data science community can discover the financial markets. So first, in the competition, we have to read the description correctly. Then we have to know what actually given in there. So there are the actual format of with which value you can calculate there, or the division is given there. So actually they are giving the coefficient of determination, and also you can go through other honor code, prizes, submission instructions, how to submit in there. Also you can get the data, so we have to download the data set from here. Now after downloading this data set, we have to, you must accept the competition rules before you can continue. So there's some illegality. So over the 18, anyone can participate over 18. And submission means the material created and submitted by format, coding or format. So go to the data and download the file. Now like this we can in Leaderboard there are some team also has given entry. They already submitted, some of them are there, so many submission in there. So now if we go to the Kaggle competitions, so here the Kaggle competitions, you can competitions in any languages. And if we go through the Kaggle, so this is the Kaggle classroom actually. If we go to the Kaggle competition, we'll get some categories there. They are in class, there are playground, and also there are getting started. So they are saying that you have to start with digit recognitions or titling machine learning from disaster, facial keyboard detection, fast steps with Julia. We has going through how to successful in Kaggle. Where is it? There, they are the difficulty level, digit recognitions, and also uh, fast step with Julia. Saw that. So we back to the Kaggle. So now in class, if we search, there are movie recommendations, and there are lots of things you can also practice after getting started. Now if we go to the playground, you see the Santa's uncertain bus, transfer learning on stock exchange decks, dogs and can kernel editions, house price advanced regression techniques, leaf classification. You can also practice all of this. So if we go through getting started first, so let's start with the digit recognition. Okay, so let's start a digit recognition. They are the classify of handwritten digits using famous MNIST data. To get started competition through Google Scripts. So they started it from Wednesday 25th July 2012. It will end at um, 7th January 2020. So lots of things are going. Point the competition does not award ranking points will be there. Tires, the competition does not count the tires. So anyone can. This is the free competition actually. We are telling you. So how to get competition through Kaggle scripts now. So there are example handwritten digits, pixel mean standard deviation by digit, random forest benchmark, random forest proximity embedding visualizations. So if you go to the second page, you see all are the comments. So if we now so start watching. And there are lots of staff who said, "Hi, I'm new to Google. I'm looking for a team to work with. Anyone interested?" So you can join anyone a team and also discuss with them. There's some people are sharing their thoughts. Hi Alex, I'm interested of trying digit recognition as well. I'm past BSc in science with coursework and projects AI and ML. It seems programming experience overlapping Python. I'm looking to improve and learn more about regarding ML. So you can join them and to join the competitions. Now if we go through the Kaggle, so you can also become a Kaggle host the competitions. And If we, my main very favorite link is there is on the Quora. So Quora, if we search the ask the question, it will show you. So what Kaggle competition should a beginner start with? I'm taking there are lots of they are suggesting the things Titanic and forest cover, bike sharing demand, random acts of pizza. So they are primary tools they are using techniques. I they said basic recognition which we have saw Titanic machine learning from disaster. Um, they also giving a tutorial on Python, my first Kaggle entry, and there are lots of submission in there. So you can go to anytime in Quora and search your query. Now, how to get into the top 15 of a Kaggle competition using Python? There are lots of stuff there. You can also go to it. That how to become one of the 15. You can have to be first there. You have to be download the data, experience the data with pandas, and you can go through it and how it is scored. All things, algorithm, everything is in there. Now back to some more offensive questions. So there are many community in there. Data science is the top coder. Like so, there is a conference going on health services, Toronto. They are giving some data research site for competitions, big data analysis. Patients information is given there, so you can also search some competition. So there here is competition. All questions, interaction, see, abstract data. They are giving the data of patients and they're giving the questions. Have to answer the questions and participate there. So there's some tutorial on there how to you working with Google and mm, there are some also some video tutorial how you can better in Kaggle competitions. Thank you.